mga kalinga. It's another day here in Baguio City po. And of course, since may gatherings naman po tayo, no, expect that we are going to interview some of our sakalams here. And of course, I know you have been waiting for na magkakaroon po tayo ng second interview with my cousin, Roel of Malalag. So, let's just wait for a moment, no, kasi sadyang napaka-busy po niya. So, we will have a special interview with him. Saglit lang, let's just wait for a moment kasi as you can see, they're having interview po. So, yung weather po dito sa Baguio, no, we all know na may bagyo po dito sa Baguio. But good thing, thank God, kasi as you can see, it is sunny. It is sunny today. So, let's grab the chance to interact with our Kalingap Sakalams for today's video. So, just stay tuned. Give me a second. I am waiting for my turn to ask some random questions kay Roel of Malalag. So, by the way, I just want to say thank you po sa inyong lahat. Kasi nga, yung mga supporters and fans po ni Roel ay nag-subscribe po talaga sila sa aking YouTube channel. And nababasa ko po yung mga comments niyo about us po, mga kalingap. So here, finally, oh, kindly nito kasi, yes, lakad tayo kasi yung heels ko. So, please, cameraman. Dito tayo banda. Yeah. So, I'm glad that Roel is with me again.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
shout out.
So, Roel, I just want to say thank you again, no, sa imuha. Dahil po, you're one of the reasons kung bakit po nag-increase po yung subscribers natin. Before po, nang na-interview kita, I had just 7,000 subscribers. And now, guess
So
what?
as of now,
I have 10,000
wow,
now!
congratulations.
Yay! Thank you very much.
I think you're already monetized.
Yes, I am slowly
Happy to
earning
hear.
na po. So, this is my way po, no? I just want to remind everyone na yung ma-earn po natin sa ating YouTube ay i-charity vlog po
Yes.
natin yan. And Roel is one of my inspirations. So, how are you today, Roel, that you are celebrating your uncle, right? Uncle Kuya Val, birthday today.
So honestly, this is the last second time na nagbabagyo together with Kuya Bal, celebration of Kuya Bal's birthday. So I'm happy that again I'm celebrating his birthday
Yeah.
together with the family of Kalinga.
Sa akin naman, it is my first time
Ayaw nga po.
na maging parte po tayo, no, ng selebrasyon ni
Yes.
Kuya Val. And, of course, we have a topic for today kasi may mga nag-request eh. We will talk about gugma.
Gugma.
Yeah, just a quick lang, no, about gugma. So, Roel, I just want to ask, how do you define love?
Love.
Speechless.
Ang bira, may pakinig. Love is something indescribable.
Oh.
It's something that you felt naturally. 'Di ba? Kasi kung mahal mo or may
Kinikilig
di
siya.
ba? But 'di ba, it's something na may love kasi isang tao. Ano siya, mukhang hindi mo siya kusang hindi mo siya may explain, 'di ba? Unexplainable na indescribable. Basta kusa lang siyang mafe-feel mo.
Kusa mong
Oo,
nararamdaman.
kusa mong nararamdaman and yun na yun, 'di ba? It comes out naturally.
Mhm.
Diba?
So, are you in love? Of course naman, alam naman natin, no? But we just need to hear it again from him. Are you in love?
Obviously.
Unsay now sana in love? Okay, now sana all know, sana all mga kalingap in love, okay? Yes, we all know na he's in love because he's having a relationship with.
Rachel.
Yes, okay. And then, since you are like, let's talk about the woman that you are loving right now. Why did you choose her? Di ba? May mga ganun
Grabe,
text na.
pakinig.
Yes.
Yeah, are you fan of watching Rochel's Kalingap serye?
Napanood ko lang yung vlogs niya, yung
vlogs
daily
lang,
vlogs
daily
niya.
vlogs lang. So Rachel is one of my ideal girl that
Kinikilig na yung mga Rachel na yan. Ay!
Ang marami pa English, di ba?
Yeah.
Sige, I simply describe Rachel as a simple girl.
Mm-mm.
She's just a simple girl, but aside from the simple girl, um, something that I really admire here is his dedication.
Aw.
Yeah, because aside from being a breadwinner of her family, she's very responsible. She's very responsible amidst of her mother passed
Mm-mm.
away three
Oh
years
yeah.
ago.
I saw
So
her. I know her
yeah.
story.
So she's very responsible, and aside from that, aside from being family oriented,
Mm.
for me honestly, she's very kind. Di ba?
Aw. Soft-hearted.
Lahat ng mga positive na mga attributes sa isang babae, talagang nakikita ko sa kanya. Siguro bonus lang na maganda siya, 'di ba?
She's really beautiful.
Yes.
You know what? When my mom saw her for the first time, mom was taking picture and she
Mm.
said like, ay, guwapa bata. And I was like, yeah, she's really beautiful. Yung natural na no, parang wala nang
Yes.
hindi nang ka-effort. How to be you po? Paki-comment. Nang sa ganun ay makakahanap din po
Ano,
tayo
alis
ng
na tayo?
Roel of Malalag.
Alis na.
Okay. Let's try
Sige,
to
sige, sige. Okay lang kahit
while
maglalakad
walking.
tayo.
All
Sige,
right.
sige.
Okay. So, Roel, ano namang masasabi mo na it can't be denied that there are some people questioning about your relationship with her, right? May mga
Yes.
it can't be denied kasi mga kalingap, no? Let's just have this is not quite issues kumbaga, but
Mm.
how do you deal na there are people are commenting negatives about you?
Um, in our relationship, we choose to be in public, yeah. Diba? We choose to our relationship is in public, right?
Mm.
Because there are some
Di talaga
viewers.
So yes, we are here po sa La Trinidad. Hindi lang po yung Baguio City yung in-explore po natin mga kalingap, no? We're given a chance to visit here dito po sa Strawberry Farm and it's quite obvious kasi naman I'm already eating strawberry ice cream. If you are here, you should grab the chance yung mga strawberries na ini-offer nila dito, try to check it out. And since hindi pa po tapos yung ating pa one-on-one interview, kasi kasama po natin ngayon si
Ay,
Roel of
shoutout. Hello po.
Malalag. Kasi nakat
Welcome
po
back
yung,
again.
yes, hindi po tayo nagkaroon ng ano no, short lang kasi yung time na meron tayo earlier. So today, atin po si Roel. Charot lang. So this way, so Roel, okay, while we are walking, no?
Yes.
So Roel, is this your first time na ma-explore or mabisita ang La Trinidad?
No, it's my third time here.
Wow! So this place is not new to you anymore?
Yes.
Yung Strawberry Farm?
Yes.
Mhm. Sa tingin mo ba bakit ito dinadayo ng mga turista?
Aside from the weather, syempre it's strawberry itself. Kaya nga may nakalagay doon. Meron siyang ayan, biggest strawberry in the world.
Ay, ganun?
Because dito natagpuan yata yung biggest strawberry, and this is what we call yung strawberry capital of the Philippines.
That's
Yung
really
strawberry,
true.
Yung La Trinidad Bingo.
Yeah, that's right. Dito po sa La Trinidad, sikat po sila sa mga strawberries.
Yes.
And we all know naman, no, dito lang talaga yan sa Benguet. Kasi nga, the rest of the cities or provinces sa Philippines, ay yung klima ay iba na.
Mm.
Right? Hindi nag-grow yung ano. So, we will go this way and we will check it out what we have here. So, while we are walking, no, i-continue po natin yung natin, like, question and answer
Yes.
portion. Are you ready?
Kanina pa.
Kanina pa siya ready, mga kalingap. So earlier, we talked about, what did we discuss?
We discussed about gugma, and after that it's
Yeah.
my relationship.
Yes, we
right
talk
now.
about love and relationship. So, yun naman po, no, na-explain na niya how he defines love. And ngayon, tatanungin natin siya since he is in a relationship with Rochelle.
Rachel.
Rachel, I'm sorry. Rochelle yung,
It's the combination of our name.
the team. Okay. So, you see Rachel, like, how do you feel na yung relationship niya sa kanya ay naka-public?
Wala akong idea.
How do you feel na yung relationship mo with Rachel is naka-public? Don't you feel overwhelmed? Or does it make you happy ba?
For me, it seems like masaya, no? Kasi syempre naka-public yung relationship namin, and doon naman kami nagsimula talaga for being a love team up until naging kami, no? Kaya masaya ako dahil syempre maraming nakakilala, maraming nakakaalam, and aside from that is yung suporta ng bawat tao sa amin. napaka init ng kanilang suporta, ng kanilang pagmamahal sa amin. And para naman sa akin,
Mhm.
being in a public relationship is there's advantages and
Yeah.
disadvantages. No?
I think lahat naman siguro ng mga bagay-bagay, no?
Syempre, but in private relationship is andun lang, kayo lang nakakaalam
Yeah.
kung may mga tampuhan, may mga awayan or something anong status ng inyong relationship. Pero sa amin naka-public, ang disadvantage nun is ganun, 'di ba? Free free sila mag-critic sa amin. Free sila mag-throw ng mga messages, mapa
Yeah.
negative or positive man,
That's true.
towards sa amin. So, we felt like, 'di ba, na ano kami, medyo,
Na-invade yung privacy.
oo, ganun nga, pinapasok na yung privacy namin. Yung advantage naman is masaya dahil maraming nakakaalam.
Nagsuporta.
Oo, yung suporta nila,
Maraming
napaka-solid.
kinilig. Maraming
Yun.
naging na-inspire din sa
Ganun na
inyo,
nga po.
right? As a love team. And since sinabi mo earlier na nagsimula kayo sa love team,
Mm.
is it true na lahat ng mga love team sa Kalingap ay ended up together in real life? Based on your opinion lang, no?
For me is,
Yeah.
somehow, siguro baka, no?
Okay,
Di
so
ako makapagsabi kasi they have their own mind, di ba? They have their own decision, they have their own plan. But kung totoo talaga sila sa kanila, di ba? Yung halimbawa may mga iba't ibang dating. Kung talagang totoo yung feelings nila sa bawat isa, why not maging sila, di ba?
Okay.
Para kagaya sa amin, di ba? Single kami nung nag-love team kami, di ba? Here comes na dumating na ganyan.
Exactly.
Baka sa inyo din. Ay. Sorry, nadulas.
Bakit ko ba tinanong yan? Na-back
Diba?
to me na tuloy.
Di ba? Malay natin, di ba? Only God knows. Di ba? Only God knows kung ano yung destiny natin.
Alright. Tama na, Ruel, na. Nagigets ko na.
Boto ako. No?
So, ayun po, no? So, I just want to know, anong sekreto? Bakit yung love team mo ay talagang, ano siya eh, like not quite, but indeed famous sa karamihan. Like, nagbo-boom talaga yung love team nyo. What's the secret for that? Bakit tinangkilik kayo ng mga ng mga viewers natin?
Siguro, no? Sabihin ko siya ngayon, hindi na siya maging secret, no? So, wala lang, para sa amin nilangga, hindi naman kami nagkasundo na dapat ganito yung gagawin natin. Basta it comes out naturally, di ba? Sa amin, ginagawa namin, yung kung ano yung nakikita ninyo, kung ano yung kami
Totoo
talaga.
yun. Totoo
Yes,
yung lahat.
talaga.
Totoo yung lahat na pinapakita
Yun lang siguro
nyo.
yung doon na
Walang acting ang
lang.
nagaganap ganon.
Walang
Wow.
pretending, nagpe-pretend lang tayo dahil for the views.
Yeah,
Wala.
may mga, we can't deny the fact that there are some couples that they are doing
Yes.
that just to gain
some
viewers and
Yes.
to earn more, right?
Yeah.
Parang pinipirahan nila. But sa inyo naman, I know they act naturally po. And they show their love to each other.
Yes.
That's the talaga. That's the point, and that's the main reason why everyone is loving you both, right? So anong masasabi mo na these supporters, no, ay talagang tinangkilik kayo at minahal ng sobra. Hindi lang ikaw, pati na si Rachel. Anong masasabi mo doon?
I have nothing words to say, kundi thank you lang, no? Kasi thank you kasi since day one up until now, andyan pa rin yung suporta nila. 'Di ba? Hindi nagbabago. Other says na laos kami, 'di ba? Laos, it came from the word na talagang wala ng views. Pero for me, I can define laos as positive sa amin, 'di ba? Love all out support. Laos,
Wow.
'di ba? Ganun na lang, 'di ba?
Very well said.
Thank you so much, no, dahil andyan pa rin sila through ups and downs, through thick and thin, through mahina ang views or mataas, andyan pa rin sila. Kaya still napaka-solid po ninyo. Kaya wala kaming ibang masasabi nila nga kundi yung taos-pusong pasasalamat.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's true. So ayun po, no, that's right, very well said. Galing na mismo yan kay Ruel of Malalag. Na halata naman po the way he answers and the way he explains ay talagang natural lang. Wala siyang pinapakitang, hindi peke po lahat ng galawan. And me as an interviewer, I can sense really na when he speaks, it is definitely from the heart. Yeah. So maraming salamat, Ruel, no?
Thank you
Kasi
so much.
napaunlakan, everyone is, they are really waiting for this kind of interview tungkol po sa nyo. Kasi nga, iba kasi yun, kayo yung nagsasabi, than yung may nagtatanong, di ba?
Yes.
dun mo talaga makikita if are they really having a good relationship to each other. So, ayun po. So, again, this interview is intended po, mga kalingap, sa mga viewers and fans po ni Ruel of Malalag. So, thank you very much for this wonderful time. And do you have something to say before we will end?
I just grab this opportunity to thank Ate Charlotte of Cebu,
Oo.
di ba, for this part of interview. And soon, together with Langga, no?
Yeah.
Hopefully na,
Ikaw yung daan ko.
yes, di ba? Kasi yung mga questions naman niya is, ayun lang, yung pagiging ikaw lang, di ba? Yung just show your true self, di ba?
Yes.
Kaya thank you so much, and sa mga nagko-comment ng mga positive dyan, thank you so much sa positive feedback sa amin ni Langga. Talagang nakaka-overwhelm basahin, di ba? Yung mga positive comments. Thank you so much na, although hindi ko man accepted na ganun ako, pero sa inyo kasi nanggaling, di ba?
Yeah.
So, thank you so much po.
So, for the last time, or during sa ating first interview, may binitawan kang salita. Like, padayon o glaban.
Yes.
Yeah. How about today? Ano yung word mo for today?
Word for today.
Okay, word for today. Bisaya man yan, any kind of language, as long as it is word for the day. I want to hear it from you. What is it?
So, this topic is all about love, di ba? Gugma. Para sa akin, ano lang, di ba?
Ano yung
the
word mo?
ingredients of being a successful in a relationship is just be true to yourself. Yun lang, just be true to yourself.
Just be true. So we have here
Yeah.
the line from him, just be true to yourself. And very well said. You know what? It's easy to say, but
Yes,
it's hard, to
act.
apply.
Yes.
Because
hard
we
to
can't
act.
deny na some of us, or even me, I have some insecurities too, right? Do you also the same?
Yes.
Do you also feel the same way? Yung mga insecurities
I do have insecurities.
until now?
Yes, up until now. But just focus on the ano na lang,
Positive side.
positive, your strengths, di ba? Your strengths.
So that's good. So again, before we will say goodbye, just true to yourself, mga kalingap. And then we will see you next time. This is
Thank you.
Charlotte.
Ruel of Malalag.
Okay, and have a good day.
Thank you.
Goodbye.